Today, I'll show you how to activate the Delay Email Delivery feature in Outlook. Delay Delivery lets you write an email now and schedule it to be sent later. This is useful when you want a message to arrive during business hours, prepare emails in advance, or avoid sending something immediately. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Click New Email to create a new message. Now add the recipient, subject line, and email content like you normally would. Before sending, go to the top menu of the email window. If you are using Classic Outlook for Windows, click Options, then select Delay Delivery. A Properties window will appear. Under Delivery Options, check the box that says Do Not Deliver Before. Now choose the date and time when you want Outlook to send the email. After setting the schedule, click Close. Now click Send. The email will not be sent right away. Instead, it will stay in your Outbox until the scheduled delivery time. Make sure Outlook remains open and connected to the internet if you are using the classic desktop version, because some accounts require Outlook to be running for the message to send. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the process may look slightly different. Create your email, then click the small arrow next to the Send button. Choose Schedule Send, pick one of the suggested times, or choose a custom date and time. Then confirm the schedule. Your message will now be held and sent at the selected time. To check or edit a delayed email, open your Outbox or Scheduled Messages folder, depending on your Outlook version. Open the message, adjust the delivery time if needed, then save or send it again. And that's it. You've successfully activated Delay Email Delivery in Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.